All birds find shelter during rain. But eagle avoids rain by flying above clouds, by APJ Abdul Kalam. The importance of perspective. The quote suggests that the eagle is able to avoid the rain by taking a higher perspective and flying above the clouds. Solutions and overcome obstacles. In the same way, viewers of the video may be encouraged to take a step back and look at their challenges from a different perspective in order to find creative. The value of resilience. While other birds seek shelter during the rain, the eagle is able to weather the storm by taking a different approach. This could be a powerful message for viewers who are facing difficult times, encouraging them to persevere and find new ways to overcome challenges. The benefits of innovation. The eagle's ability to avoid the rain is not simply a matter of luck or circumstance, it is a result of its unique abilities and qualities. In the same way, viewers may be inspired to embrace their own unique strengths and find innovative solutions to the problems they face. The power of determination. The eagle's ability to fly above the clouds and avoid the rain requires focus and determination. Viewers may be encouraged to stay focused on their goals and remain determined in the face of adversity. The importance of taking a different approach. While all other birds seek shelter during rain, the eagle takes a different approach by flying above the clouds to avoid getting wet. Similarly, viewers of the video may be encouraged to think outside the box and take a different approach to their problems. This could involve trying new strategies or seeking out alternative solutions, rather than simply following the same path as everyone else. Overall, this quote could be used to create a motivational video that encourages viewers to adopt a mindset of resilience, innovation, and determination in order to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals. The video could feature stories of successful individuals who have overcome challenges through these qualities and provide practical tips and advice for viewers looking to do the same.